Hello all. Tamil Nadu State Urdu Academy, Department of Higher Education, Government of Tamil Nadu cordially invite your esteemed presence on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day's celebration function on Saturday, 15th August 2026 at 3 p.m. at the auditorium of Government Qaida Millat College for Women, opposite to Hotel Taj Coromandel, Anna Sale, Chennai 60002. Thiru Dr. Muhammad Naimur Rahman, Vice Chairman, Tamil Nadu State Urdu Academy, will preside. Honorable Thiru P. Viswanathan, Minister for Higher Education, Government of Tamil Nadu. Honorable Thiru A.M. Shahjahan, Minister for Minorities Welfare, Government of Tamil Nadu, will be the chief guests. Justice G.M. Akbar Ali, former Judge, Madras High Court. Dr. Professor Vistali Sankara Rao, Director, I, University of Madras, Head Department of Telugu, will be the guest of honor. Thiru V.M.S. Mustafa, MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly. Thiru K.A.M. Abubakar, ex-MLA, General Secretary, IUML, Tamil Nadu. Shrimati Dr. Professor K. Vijaya, Principal, Qaida Millat Government College for Women. Shrimati Dr. Professor Uma Gauri, Principal, Yatraj College for Women, will speak on the occasion. All are welcome. Thank you for your listening.